Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today I have a quick little Amazon haul to share with you guys, plus a little sticker haul from a new company that reached out to me to try out their stickers. So let's get on with it. First things I want to show you is this collection kit that I purchased from Amazon, and it is by Echo Park, and it is the Trick or Treat collection. So cute, you guys. I love that every year they come out with new collections. I'm not a fan of Echo Park ephemera, but I'll show you guys what I did do. So this is what the collection looks like. I'm gonna go through the sheets so you guys can see it. Look at the cut apart sheet. And I told you guys that I have a various amount of different Halloween collections for this year, and I'm gonna separate them between videos because I didn't want to bombard you guys with a bunch of Halloween stuff. I also took out my stash from last year. If you guys want to see my stash right now, let me know and I'll make a video on that. But how cute are these cut aparts, you guys? And this is Echo Park Trick or Treat. So we got some skeletons. This is the other cut apart sheet. I think you get two of each because it's yes, you do. So you get two of each sheet in this kit, which is awesome. So we got the little ghosties with the little jack-o'-lanterns, and then the little cats in the back. They are my favorite in this collection. So cute. So we have another cut apart sheet right here, and it says eat, drink, and be spooky. It's the most spooky time of the year. This is more of a darker, I wouldn't say scary Halloween. I still think it's cutesy, but it's just more on the darker side with color wise. And then the opposite side are these cute little witch hats. And then we have these little jack-o'-lanterns making a bunch of funny faces. And then the opposite side is just a bunch of candy. And then we have the bigger cut aparts, which are the 4x6 cards. Super cute. I love to share these in whatever happy mail I choose to make. We got the spider webs in the back. And then lastly, right? Yep, we have this one. So it's more on the darker side, you guys. Look at the plaid. How pretty is that plaid? It's more on the darker side, but I still like it. I think it's super cute. And then we have a sticker sheet, and this is what we get. Now, since Echo Park's ephemera tends to always be kind of like tags and labels and just super big pieces, I did purchase the digital collection online for this. So I ended up cutting my own ephemera, you guys. And here it is. Now, you don't get these pieces if you buy this collection on its own, because they don't tend to do ephemera like Crate Paper does or any other Crafty brand does. So look, you guys, I made my own little pieces. Look at the cat. I love it so much. I did the little pumpkin. See, in their ephemera, it's pieces like this, but super big, like super big. And like these, they don't have, sometimes you need like other types of ephemera pieces. I did a bunch of these. Look at this one, you guys. How cute is that? You can see like this. We got the little spooky flag, the little jar with the eyes. So I gave myself a little bit of variety so that when I craft with this collection, I have things to play around with. Look how cute the little girl is. I have a fan on, so she's like blowing away. A little ghost. But yeah, you guys, those are, got a frame right here. Those are the ephemera pieces that I cut out with my machine. Look at that. Isn't it cute? So I can use this with this collection. And yeah, so moving along, I'll put down below all the stuff that I show. You guys know I always do that. And then the next thing I purchased was this Snap Pocket Pages. I'm going to be doing a October daily again. I did one, I think it was last year or the year before. So I want to try it out again, but this year I'm going to use the Hey Pumpkin theme for mine. So if you guys want to see a setup video on my October daily, let me know and I'll definitely have that up for you guys. Or if you guys want to see a flip through of my latest, I think last year's October daily, I can do that as well. But I picked up the pocket sleeves. These are 3x4s and 4x6 refills. You get 10 pages, and then the Snap album in black and white. And yeah, that's everything I picked up from Amazon. And now to show you guys the stickers that were sent to me by, the store name is You Do It. This is their little logo. And they sent me, look how cute this is on the other side. They sent me a few stickers to share with you guys and show you guys. So I'll definitely have her store linked down below. But look how cute these are. They're like little Paris stickers. I love these. Look at these. Pimp your desk. These are so cute, like little ice creams, little popsicles. I love how delicate these look. Super cute. And look at these, you guys. These remind me of the Dollar Tree stickers. It's cute. Little cactuses. We have these. These are my favorite. Look at these, you guys. They remind me of like Maggie Holmes. Look at the little rosette. So pretty. And then lastly are these super cute little shaker mason jars. Look at that. But yeah, you guys, definitely check out You Do It. They have very affordable stickers. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.